You ready, Noah?
What do you think of this?
What is that? What is that?
It's Noah's cake.
What is that, Noah? Is that your cake? He wants the candle. Yay!
Oh.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Now I'm gonna taste
Hey,
here.
man. Can Grandma have that for a minute?
Here, I'll set this down for you. We'll set it here. Thank you.
I was gonna eat that.
Break it down.
Look at that cake. That's really
I got
something.
stuff on my fingers.
He's gonna put it in his hair. He's gonna get a scalp treatment. Right? What is that? Oh, there's a big one. Let me put it there.
Stuff. That feels funny.
Oh dear.
Just don't cut his head off. So many of your pictures don't have a head.
What did you do?
Oh, there we go. Is that good?
Might as well say it. That's on the video now, Mom. Anything else?
What is that?
I don't know about this.
Those are the classic words of wisdom.
Here, I better make an honest person out of my mom and cut his head off a little bit. There we go.
Look what he's doing. That poor lady, she probably took her hours. Kind of like Martha, you know? Good thing it's
That's
nobody
okay. It's a lot more fun to watch and enjoy it.
What is that?
I don't like it now. He's waking up now.
That's kind of funny.
He hasn't put much in his body.
Not too much. He just tasted it.
It's all over his hands.
He doesn't get much sugary stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Should we say happy birthday?
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you. Eat it up. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Chomp, chomp, chomp.
Moth out back.
Yeah, there you go.
Get that smokestack.
Now we're getting to the good
I could just
stuff.
get a hold of it.
He's not eating it though.
She got one little taste.
Get down to the
I had to
cake.
get out the pictures of your birthday to find the pattern.
Boy, you sure gotta use hands.
Oh,
It was fun to see
there we
all
go. Now where's that gonna
At the
go?
end, we have a picture of you sleeping in the high chair.
Sugar coma.
He didn't eat much either, but he did get...
Cake! That's your birthday cake! Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
We should put a big bib on it. That's what we did.
Put a big trash bag over him.
Towel over his
Sticking to him.
It is sticking to him, I know.
Hands down.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
I just wanted to do that.
Hey, Noah.
That's all right. He washes, right?
I think so.
Is that good?
Yeah. He doesn't know what to think. Oh, he loves finger painting.
Yes, he does. There we go.
He's painting his high chair.
Your little artiste, huh?
He doesn't put this in his mouth, though. He's not sure about it yet, is he?
No.
He did there we go.
Yeah. Good boy. Yay!
Yay, Noah!
It's yummy. You should try it.
Do you need Uncle Kenny to help show you how to eat cake?
Yeah, he just might.
With Martha's assistance.
You want to try some?
Want a bite?
You want to try some? Nah.
What a look.
What are you going to do with that, huh? Can you eat it?
Have a bite?
He hasn't tasted it.
good.
Almost gets
Yay!
Oh, there you go.
Yay!
Oh, look at
Oh, it's a big boy.
Oh, goodness! Is that good?
Wow, why am I getting to do this?
I knew there was a cake in there somewhere.
Get through the frosting to the good stuff, huh, baby?
I think the old frosting 20 years ago was a little less messy.
Aww.
Look at those beakers.
Look at that face.
There we
That cake is
go.
kind of okay.
That's yummy, huh? Forget the cantaloupe, Mom. I'm having cake.
Yay,
Oh,
Grandpa.
He's really into it. Is that good?
Chester.
Is that
Good?
good?
Haven't seen any of him before? Yeah, I thought so. He was there at graduation.
Yep.
I think he likes it. Is that good?
Does he eat with a fork at all?
He tries to. A spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah, he tries to feed himself.
You're hard on that.
I don't know.
Is that good?
You want me to move?
Oh, no, you're fine. You're fine.
Fred, it might have to stick you in Grandma's tub. We might have to.
Yep. Maybe we can.
Aww.
What?
Mm.
There's that.
Oh,
Okay, I found my
that's a yummy tummy, huh?
Best part. I
Look at
know.
those baby blue eyes.
Well,
You'll have to hold it up
Noah,
like this as
you're
you
so
carry it.
handsome.
I know.
You're such a
Becky
big
doesn't
boy.
Mind. I don't mind.
He doesn't have
I don't want to
any
get under
stairs.
carpet. No, not yet.
Is Miami ahead?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Who's our 1-year-old big boy, huh?
It's hard to believe that's 20 years ago.
I know.